Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. This is Edexcel Mathematics, Pure Mathematics P1, May 2019, WMA 1101. Let us start the first question. The curve C has equation y equal 1 over 8 x cubed minus 24 divided by square root of x plus 1. Find dy by dx given the answer in the simplest form. So we have y, this is part A, y equal to 1 over 8 x power 3 minus 24 x minus half plus 1. So dy by dx equal to 1 over 8 multiplied by this 3 will come here, multiplied by x 3 minus 1 minus 24 multiplied by again minus half multiplied by x minus half minus 1 plus 0. So dy by dx is equal to 3 over 8 x squared minus minus plus, and this one plus this one is equal to 12. So plus 12x minus 3 over 2, which is half. And this is the answer of dy by dx. Okay? This is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead. The point B 4 and minus 3 lies on C. Find the equation of the tangent to C at point B. Write your answer in the form y equal to mx plus c, where m and c is a constant to be found. So this is part B. We know that m equal to dy by dx, at which point the point given now is 4 and minus 3. So 4 and minus 3 will equal to every x equal to 4. So 3 over 8 multiplied by 4 squared plus 12 multiplied by 4 power minus 1.5. So m equal to, let us find the value of m, 3 divided by 8 multiplied by 16 plus 12 multiplied by 4 power minus 1.5. So 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So m now is equal to 7.5, and this is the first value we need. Now the equation y equal to mx plus c equal to 7.5x plus c. At the same point, at point 4 minus 3, what is the situation? Y is equal to minus 3 equal to 7.5 multiplied by x equal to 4 plus c. So from here c equal, so let us find the value, minus 3 minus 7.5 multiplied by 4 equal to minus 33. So C now is equal to minus 33. So now the equation y equal to 7.5x minus 33. And this is the equation of the line. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Simplify 1 divided by 4 minus 2 square root of 2, given your answer in the form a b square root of 2, where a and b are rotational numbers. Let us start this part A. So now I have 1 divided by 4 minus 2 square root of 2. So to remove this 2 square root of 2, I need to multiply up and down by 4 plus 2 square root of 2. and here 4 plus 2 square root of 2. Why we do that? Because we need to remove 4 square root of 2. 2 square root of 2. So this is will equal to, let us start, 4 plus 2 square root of 2. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Minus 4 multiplied by 2 square root of 2, it will be plus 8 square root of 2. Now minus 2 square root of 2 multiplied by 4 will give us minus 8 square root of 2. And the minus 2 square root of 2 multiplied by plus 2 square root of 2 is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 2. This part go with this part. So the remaining will equal to 4 plus 2 square root of 2 divided by 16 minus 8. So it will equal to 4 plus 2 square root of 2 divided by 8. So the final answer equal to 4 divided by 8 equal to half. Plus 2 divided by 8 equal to 1 over 4. 1 over 4 square root of 2, and this is the final answer. Okay. Now, hence or otherwise, solve the equations 4x equal to 2 square root of 2x plus 20 square root of 2. Given your answer in the form again, b plus q square root of 2, where b and q are rational numbers. Let us start to write the equation. This is part b. We have 4x equal to 2 square root of 2 x plus 20 square root of 2. So this equation now is equal to 4x minus 2 square root of 2x equal to 20 square root of 2. We bring this part here. So x as a common factor, 4 minus square root of 2 minus 2 multiplied by square root of 2 equal to 20 square root of 2. So x now is equal to 20 square root of 2 divided by 4 minus 2 square root of 2. 1 over from here, 1 over 4 minus square root of 2 square root of 2 is equal to half plus 1 over 4 square root of 2. So I can write now the equation x 20 square root of 2 multiplied by half plus 1 over 4 square root of 2. Half plus 1 over 2, 1 over 4 square root of 2. So x equal to, now 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10, 10 square root of 2. Plus 20 divided by 4 equal to 5, multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. So it's equal to 10 square root of 2 plus 10. So actually x equal to 10 plus 10 square root of 2, and this is the answer. We need b equal to 10 and q equal to 10, which is here he asked for b plus q square root of 2. So this is the value of the question. Okay, let us go ahead to another one. Figure 1 shows the plan of garden. The marked angle are right angle. The 6 edges are straight lines. The lengths shown in the diagram are given in meters. Given that perimeter of the garden is greater than, so the perimeter of the garden is greater than 29. Show that x is bigger than 1.5. So let us now find the perimeter, answer this question. We have this side 6x x minus 2, and this one plus this one is equal to 6x minus 2. So we have 6x minus 2 multiplied by 2, which is this one plus this one. And then the second side is the same. This is 5x divided into 2x and 3x. So the whole length here is equal to 5x. So the perimeter, so this is part A, perimeter, which is equal to, now again, 6x minus 2, 6x minus 2 multiplied by 2. 1 here, and the two side 1 and 2. And the second side 5x multiplied by 2 plus 5x multiplied by 2. This perimeter is greater than 29. So we have 12x minus 4 plus 10x greater than 29. So 12x and 10x 22x minus 4 bigger than 29. So 22x is bigger than, this is come this side 33. So from here x is bigger than 33 divided by 22. So x bigger than divided by 11, 2, 3, 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. So x is bigger than 1.5 meter. Given also, you must add meter here. Given also that area of the garden here, the area of the garden is less than 72 meters. So the area is less than 72. Form and solve the quadratical inequality in x. So we need to find the x if the area of the garden is less than 72. So let us divide this garden two parts here. So I have, this is 5x, 2x, so this is 3x. So the area is 6x minus 2 multiplied by 3x. And here, 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x. So let us find the area. Area, this is part B. Area equal to, again, 6x minus 2. 6x minus 2 multiplied by 3x, which is this side. 5x minus 2x give us 3x. Plus the second part, 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x, which is here 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x. So this area according to given here is less than 72. Less than 72. So this area is less than 72. So let us start 18x squared minus 6x plus 4x squared minus 2x less than 72. So 18 and 4, 22x squared minus 8x minus 72 less than 0. So let us find the x. Let us bring our calculator. Equation 5 and then quadratic equation, which is 3. So 22 enter, and then minus 8 enter, and then minus 72 enter. X is equal to 2, and x is equal to minus 18 divided by 11. So x equal to minus 18 divided by 11, and the x is equal to 2. So we can write now x is bigger than minus 18 divided by 11, and the x is less than 2. . Now, hence state the range of possible value of x. So he needs the possible value of x. To make the parameter greater than 29, x is bigger than 1.5. And to make the area is less than 72, the x must be less than what? Less than 2. So the possible range, this is C, the possible range for x bigger than 1.5. So the parameter, the question here, the parameter will greater than 29. And to make the garden area is less than 72, so x is less than 2. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another question. Find the integration of 4x squared plus 1 divided by 2 square root of x dx, given the answer in its simplest form. So the integration that we have, integration 4x squared plus 1 divided by 2 square root of x dx. So it's equal to integration of this part, 4x squared divided by 2 square root of x plus 1 divided by 2 square root of x, this part total dx. So it's equal to square root integration of this part with this part is equal to 2. 2 minus half is equal to 3 over 2. So it's 2x, 2 minus half, 3 over 2, which is 1.5, plus half x minus half. This is total dx. So it's equal to 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. It's equal to 2 over 2, so 5 over 2. 5 over 2 multiplied by x, 5 over 2, which is again 3 over 2 plus 1, plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over minus half plus 1 equal to half. So here half, and the x power half plus c. This half will go with this 2 with this half, and it's equal to 4 divided by 5, x power 5 divided by 2 plus x power half plus c. And this is the answer of the integration. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Find using algebra or real solution of 2x power 3 plus 3x squared minus 35x is equal to 0. So this is part A. So let us take x as a common factor. So it will be 2x squared plus 3x minus 35 equal to 0. So from here x equal to 0, and 2x squared plus 3x minus 35 will equal to 0. So let us start to open the brackets. So 2x and x, and we have here 35, which is 7 multiplied by 5. So I have 7 and 5. So it's a 2x squared. Here it will be, so here will be plus, and here will be negative. Because now we need plus 3x. So we have 7x and 10x. So this must be plus, and this is negative. So this is plus now, and this is negative, equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 7. So from here, x is equal to 7 divided by 2. and the second one x equal to minus 5. So the solution x equal to minus 5 and 0 and 7 divided by 2. This is the solution of x. Okay, let us go ahead to another part. Hence, find all real solution of 2x minus 5 power 6 plus 3y minus 5 power 4 minus 35y minus 5 squared. So actually this part will give us the solution. This part 35x, so x is equal to what? X minus 5 square. So in part B, x is equal to y minus 5 square. Here, x here is equal to y minus 5 squared, and the x squared will equal to y minus 5 power square power 2, and here y minus 5 square power 3, which is give us the same equation. So from here at x minus 5 we can't find y because this is square. So x equal to 0 equal to y minus 5 square. So from here y minus 5 equal to 0. So the first y equal to 5. This is the first value of y. Second one, 7 divided by 2 will equal to y minus 5 square. So from here, plus or minus square root of 7 over 2 will equal to y minus 5. So y equal to 5 plus square root of 7 over 2, and y equal to 5 minus square root of 7 divided by 2. So this is again the value of y. So y equal to 5, y equal to 5 plus square root of 7 divided by 2, y equal to 5 minus square root of 7 divided by 2. Remember all the time plus or minus when you take the square root. When you take square root both sides, remember that add plus or minus. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. The line with equation y equal to 4x plus c, where c is a constant, met the curve with equation y equal to x multiplied by x minus 3 at only one point. Find the value of c. So we need the value of c. So this is part A. Now we have two equations. This two equation is equal when they met at the same point. So 4x plus c will equal to x multiplied by x minus 3. So 4x plus c equal to x squared minus 3x. So x squared minus 3x minus 4x minus c equal to 0. So x squared minus 7x minus c equal to 0. So now to have a real root for this equation, we know that b squared minus 4ac must be bigger than or equal to 0. So we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7, and c equal to minus c. So now we have minus 7 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus c will equal to 0. So here plus 4c equal to minus 49. So c equal to minus 49 divided by 4. This part comes this side with negative, and here we have plus. So from here c equal to, let us find the calculator, 49 divided by 4 is equal to 12.5. 12.25. So C is equal to minus 12.25. This is the value of C. Now, hence, find the coordinate of the point of intersection. So we need the point of intersection. So this is part B. The equation is here. So x squared minus 7x minus 12.25 equal to 0. So let us now go and find the answer. So the equation here so 1 enter minus 7 enter plus 12.25 enter. So now x is equal to 7 over 2. X equal to 7 over 2. This is x. To find y equal to, you can go at any of this equation for x plus c. So 4 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 plus minus 12.25. So y is equal to, let us find y. Four multiplied by 7 divided by 2 minus 12.25, 7 over 4. 7 over 4. So point of intersection equal to 7 divided by 2 and 7 divided by 4. This is the answer of this question. Okay, let us go ahead to another one. The shape A, B, C, D, E consists of sector A, B, C, O, A over circle center O joined to the triangle AOD as shown in figure. The point D lies on OC, which is this point. The radius of the circle 6 cm, length AD is 5 cm, the angle AOD is 0.7 radians, which is this angle. Find the area of the sector ABCOA. Giving your answer to 1 decimal place. So it's very important. You need the answer using what? Using 1 decimal place. Let us find this angle. This angle now is 2y minus 0.7. This is the angle of the sector. The area, we need the area of the sector. So the area of this sector is equal to half r squared, which is 6, multiplied by the angle 2 pi minus 0.7. So let us start to solve. This is part A. Area equal to half r squared theta. So it's a half multiplied by 6 squared, which is radius, multiplied by theta, which is 2 pi minus 0.7. So this area is equal to, let us bring our calculator. This area is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 36 multiplied by, open the brackets, 2 multiplied by shift pi minus 0.7, close the bracket, and give us the answer 100.5 centimeter squared, and this is the answer here. Find the area. Finish this part. Give the given angle AOD is obtuse. Find the size of angle ADO. ADO. This angle. Given your answer 3 decimal place. So he look for this angle. In this triangle AOD, the 6 divided by sine rules now, or sine ADO divided by 6 is equal to 5 divided by sine 0.7. So So let us write this equation. So B, I have sine rules. So sine, what angle? ADO, 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 divided by 6, which is the opposite length, 6, equal to sine 0.7 divided by 5. So sine 0.7 divided by 5. So sine the angle ADO equal to cross multiplier sine 0.7 multiplied by 6 divided by 5. And the angle ADO equal to sine minus 1 sine 0.7 divided by 6 divided by 6 multiplied by sine 0.7 divided by 5 equal to 0.77. So here this answer is 0.77773, and the angle itself is equal to shaft sine minus 1 answer. So here this angle 0.88365 equal to 0.88365. He said that this angle is obtuse angle, so the angle ADO is equal to pi minus 0.88365. So it's equal to shaft pi minus answer equal to 2.258. So now the angle ADO equal to 2.258 radian. And this is the answer of this part of the question. Let us go ahead. Now, hence find and the 3 decimal place. Hence find the perimeter of the shape ABCDA, giving you answer 1 decimal place. So he needs the perimeter of all of this shape. So the perimeter is equal to the perimeter of this sector, which is r theta, r, and this is the theta. This is the perimeter of the arc ABC plus this length, which is CD, plus 5. Say CD, the whole distance here, from here to here, is the radius, which is 6. So if I can find this length, which is OD, so I can now calculate DC. So we need to find DC. But before we find DC, let us find the arc length. So arc. So this is part C. Arc ABC, the length is equal to r theta. So it's 6 multiplied by 2 by minus 0.7. This is the theta, which is the theta here, 2 pi minus 0.7. So this value now is equal to, let us find this value, 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi minus 0.7. So the value here 33.5. 33.5 centimeters. This is the first value. The second value we need to calculate is the length OD. So again, sine rules. OD divided by sine this angle here. This angle now is equal to pi minus 0.7 plus the angle that we calculated here, which is 2.258. 2.258. So sine, let us start to write. We have sine pi minus 0.7 minus 2.258 divided by OD, right? OD will equal to sine 0.7 equal to sine 0.7 divided by 5. So from here I can calculate OD. So OD is equal to, let us bring our calculator, multiplier by sine shift pi minus 0.7 minus 2.258 close the bracket divided by sine 0.7. So 1.42. So OD 1.42 centimeters. So now this line here 1.42. So the remaining CD is equal to this one, 6 minus 1.42. So now the total perimeter is equal to the sector plus 6 minus 1.42 plus 5. So I can write now perimeter equal to 33.5 plus 6 minus 1.42 plus 5. So the total perimeter will equal to 33.5 plus 6 minus 1.42 plus 5. So it's equal to 43.08. And this is the perimeter. Let us see one decimal place. So perimeter equal to 43.1 centimeters. This is the answer. Let us go ahead to another question. The curve C with equation y equal to f of x, where x bigger than 0 pass through the point 4 and 1. Given that f dash of x is equal to 4 square root of x minus 2 minus 8 divided by 3x squared. Find the equation of the normal to C at point B. Write your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b and c are integers to be found. So let us solve this problem. F dash of x is equal to dy by dx is equal to m, which is the slope. So f dash of x at point 4 and 1 equal to 4 square root of x equal to 4 minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 squared. So f dash of x equal to 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 16. So this part with this part is equal to 2. So it's equal to 8 minus 2 equal to 6 minus 1 over 6. So it's equal to 35 over 6. So now this is m perpendicular equal to minus 1 over m. So the perpendicular slope is equal to minus 6 divided by 35. Now the equation of the perpendicular y equal to mx plus c. So from here y equal to minus 6 over 35 x plus c. Again, point 4 and 1. So at y equal to 1, x equal to 4. So from here, c is equal to 35. This part will come here plus, so it will be 1 plus 24 divided by 35. So c will equal to 24 plus 35, 59 divided by 35. So now the equation y will equal to minus 6 divided by 35x plus 59 divided by 35. Let us multiply by 35. So 35y equal to minus 6x plus 59. So 35y plus 6x minus 59 equal to 0. So we need the equation in form x at the start. So ax plus by plus c. So c 6x plus 35y minus 59 equal to 0. And this is the equation where a equal to 6, b equal to 35, c equal to minus 59. Okay, this is the first part of the question. Let us go ahead to the second part. Find the f of x. Find the f of x. So the second part here, which is part B, we need f of x. We have f dash of x is equal to 4 square root of x minus 2 minus 8 divided by 3 x squared. So we can write now f dash of x is equal to 4 multiplied by x power half minus 2 minus 8 divided by 3 x minus 2. So f of x is equal to integration of dash of x dx. So f of x, and right now f of x is equal to integration 4 x power half minus 2 minus 8 over 3 x minus 2, all of them dx. So f of x will equal to 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 over 2 x 3 over 2 with integration. So half plus 1 is 3 over 2 minus 2x minus 8 over 3 multiplied by 1 divided by minus 1 x minus 1 plus c. So f of x will equal to 8 divided by 3, x power 3 over 2 minus 2x plus 8 divided by 3. This minus with this minus give us plus 3 divided by x plus c. Again we have 0.4 and 1. So 1 equal to 8 divided by 3, 4 power 3 over 2 minus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 plus c. So from here, let us find c minus 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 power 1.5 plus 2 multiplied by 4 minus 8 divided by 12. So c is equal to minus 13. So c equal to minus 13. So f of x will equal to 8 divided by 3, x power 3 over 2 minus 2x plus 8 divided by 3, x minus 13. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another question. Figure 3 shows a plot of the curve with equation y equal to sine theta, where theta is bigger than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 360. State the coordinate of the minimum point of the curve with equation y equal to 4. Here y is equal to 4 sine theta. Now for the curve for sine theta, where theta is bigger than or 0 and less than 360, the minimum value here for this one, f of x, or y equal to sine theta. The another one, y equal to 4 sine theta, it will be here. Same value but shifted, and the value here will equal to 4 multiplied by 1 minus 1, so minus 4. So the minimum point of the curve is equal to 270 in x. So a minimum coordinate or minimum point equal to 270 degree in x and minus 4 in y. A copy of figure 3 called diagram 1 is shown in the next paper. On the diagram 1, sketch and label the curves y equal to 1 plus sine theta and y equal to tan theta. So let us see this diagram. So now the red one here, y equal to 1 plus sine theta. Again, at 270, here it's minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. And here at 90, it's 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this value now at 2. The second one, which is this one, y equal tan theta. And we know the shape of tan. Now, hence find the number of solution of the equation tan theta is equal to 1 plus sine theta, that is lie in the region theta bigger than or equal to 0 and less than 2160. So now we know that the range of sine theta is 360. So we need what? We need the number of solution. So we have 2000. So this is C. 2160 divided by 360 divided by 360 is equal to 6. Equal to 6. But we have what? We have now the range of the tan. The range of the tan is 180. So the number of solution. So from here, 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. And this is the number of the solution for tan theta. The second one, tan theta is equal to 1 plus sine theta when it's lie 1980. The same solution actually. So by 1980 divided by 360 multiplied by 2. So it's equal to 1980 divided by 360 multiplied by 2. So the answer here will be 11. Now a curve has equation y equal to f of x, where f of x is equal to x minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 squared. The curves touch the x-axis at point B, so the first point is B, and then the cross x-axis at point Q, and then cross the x at point Q. State the coordinate of the point B. So to solve this part, now we have the equation f of x. So he touch the x-axis means y equal to 0, and cross the x-axis means y equal to 0. So f of x equal to 0. So we have x minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1 squared equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0 and x equal to 4, and then 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here x equal to minus half. Now the first point is point what? So I have 2 points now, 4 and 0, and minus half and 0. What is the first point? Now he touched first at point B. So point B coordinate will be what? Minus half and 0. The first one. The second one is Q, which is 4 and 0. Now find f dash of x. So he need dy by dx. So this is part B. F of x is equal to x minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1 squared. So it's equal to x minus 4 multiplied by 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So it's equal to 4x power 3 plus 4x squared plus x minus 16x squared minus 16x plus 4. So it's equal to 4x power 3 minus 12x squared minus 15x plus 4. So f dash of x equal to 4 multiplied by 3x squared minus 12 multiplied by 2x minus 15 multiplied by 1 plus 0, of course, plus 0. So f dash of x equal to 12x squared minus 24x minus 15. And this is the answer of f dash of x. Let us go ahead to another part and show that the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point x equal to 5 over 2, this is 5 over 2, can be expressed in the form y equal to k, where k is a constant to be found. So now he needs the equation. So this is part C. So we have f dash of x, which is equal to dy by dx, which is equal to m, which is the tangent. So we have, so the tangent, Now we have f dash of x, which is the tangent at x equal to 5/2, which is 2.5, will equal to 12 multiplied by 2.5 squared minus 24 multiplied by 2.5 minus 15. So the tangent will equal to, let us bring our calculator, 12 multiplied by 2.5 minus 24 multiplied by 2.5 minus 15. The answer is 0. So the tangent now has a slope equal to 0. So if I like to write the equation y is equal to mx plus c, this m now is equal to 0. So the equation y equal to c. We need to find c. So we need to find now y at x equal to 25. So f of x, which is equal to x, f of x, which is equal to x minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1 squared. So this is y at x equal to 2.5. So 2.5 minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied 2.5 plus 1 squared. So this y is equal to, let us bring our calculator, open the bracket, 2.5 minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied 2.5 plus 1 square. So y is equal to minus 54, which is equal to k or equal to c. So the equation of the line y, so from here k is equal to minus 54, and this is the answer of the question. And of course y is equal to minus 54. Yep. Now the last question, the curve with equation y is equal to fx plus a, where a is a constant, pass through the origin O. State the possible value of a. So now this curve passes through 0 and 0. So now I have y, this is part D, y equal to f of x plus a. And this curve passes through 0 and 0. So the possible value of a now is equal to a. We know that when f of x pass or cross the x coordinate at minus half and 4, to shift the both point to 0 and 0, so a must equal to minus half and plus 4. So now this curve, f of x plus minus half, it will be 0. And then f of x plus 4, it will be 0. So both points will be 0 and 0. And this is the end of this exam. I hope you understand all the questions. Good luck. Bye.